Okay, guys, welcome to TubeMan777. I have to admit, I've been slacking. I admit it. Yeah, I haven't been keeping up with my kind of social commentary part of my website or my channel, and that's something I've wanted to rectify. So, we're going to start with this little gem of a topic. Are Western women in trouble? Now, from my personal belief, and from what I've seen, especially from my extensive travels, I believe so. I believe so. Um, but I actually watched a YouTube clip I'm actually going to play for you guys to see what you think yourselves. Um, yeah, this is this is going to be a thing, and it just shows you the state of uh, how bad things have gotten for us in the West. That us men are having to resort to, and we're building sex bots, sex robots, as a kind of substitute, especially for guys that are MGTOW, guys that have going on their own way. If you don't know what that acronym is, MGTOW, MGTOW, it's basically a modern phenomenon of guys that have just had enough. And I can identify with that. I mean, I don't consider myself an actual MGTOW guy per se, because I'm out there, I'm meeting women. Um, I'm certainly not afraid to meet women. I don't mind being in the same room as women. I feel very comfortable with women. So that's something MGTOW guys um, don't seem to be comfortable with, and I can understand that with the current state of Western women. Okay, guys, so let's get to it. Let's grab this issue by the horns here.
How do you feel about sex?
Sex is one of the most fascinating things in the world. I don't think there is anything wrong with it.
I've got to say, I agree with Harmony, you know? Wow. And I have to also add, I love the accent. Absolutely beautiful Scottish accent. Okay, so, wow, this is a thing, guys. And this is with our current technology. So you can project this many, many years into the future. Another 10 years, 15 years, you can imagine these things are walking about on the properly on the street. We're not too far off of that. And you can imagine, the women in the West, in places like the UK, US, what are women going to, how are they going to handle this? If there's any guys, decent guys left anyway. Maybe it's just going to be the situation where all the red-blooded guys, the guys that have still got their balls, they've vacated the West long ago, and we're just in a stage of kind of cultural collapse or whatever, and late stage kind of Roman style. So guys, let me know what you think. Yeah, it's a little bit different. It's a social commentary video, what the hell's going on. I always intended for this to be a part of my TubeMan channel. Let me know. Thumbs up, thumbs down, hit those likes or the dislikes. I'm all about that. I always encourage people to comment as well. I'm never afraid to hear your comments, guys, and I find it so interesting with the feedback. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, I'm going to keep making these kind of videos, guys. Let me know what interests you guys, especially you MGTOW guys. I know you're watching. I know you watch my stuff and come to my websites. And guys, if you're interested, I've just got a little page here for you guys of a bit of info that I think you might find interesting from my experience traveling and dating and such. So, guys, it's been a pleasure, and I hope to make another video soon. TubeMan signing out.